Hey guys, William Murphy here, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Goodwood Revival 2025 video. This time we take a look at a car that's really picked my attention and the Bonhams auction. Now there's few cars that capture the raw romance of a V12 motoring quite like a Ferrari Daytona. Officially known as a 365 GTB/4, it roared onto the scene in 1968 as Maranello's answer to the rising wave of mid-engined exotics. With its long nose, muscular stance and a 4.4 litre Colombo V12 up front, the Daytona wasn't just a grand tourer, it was the fastest production car in the world at the time. Clocking up top speeds of 174 miles per hour, outpacing even the legendary Lamborghini Miura. When new, it cost around £9,500 in the UK, an astonishing sum in 1973, more than many homes at the time. And just 158 right-hand drive coupes were ever built out of the total 1,284 produced globally. That rarity, combined with the sheer drama of its performance and presence, is why the Daytona has held a soft spot in many hearts, mine included. Sadly, I won't be bidding, but it was always a privilege to see one cross the block, especially as a UK delivered example like this, originally supplied to Maranello concessionaires in 1973.
Lot number 161 unfortunately is withdrawn, but we do like to see it, hope to see it back at a future Bonhams sale. So we move on to 162, the Daytona. Absolutely stunning Ferrari Daytona. These have long been a landmark car, fastest production car when launched, capable of over 170 miles an hour, owned by the current vendor for about 10 years, offered for recommissioning, but a very worthy car of it. And interest, I have 180, 190, 200,000 pounds for the Daytona. 200,000, 200,000, 200,000, 220, good to see, 220, 220,000, 220,000, I see you hovering online, 220,000. Daytona motoring, there it is, showing on my left. Here in the sale room, 220,000. Any more bids? 220,000. At 220, 230. I'll take 230,000. 230, 240,000. 240,000 pounds. At 240. Who's going to make it a nice round 250? 240,000. Bidding? We have it. 250,000. Good to see you. 250,000. There's the offer. 250,000. 250. Against you online now. 250 is my seated bidder. Against you on the phones. Against you online. 250,000. 250. 260,000. 270. 265, 265, 265,000 is bid. 265,000. Keep it in 5, so don't mind. 265. Holding for the telephones there. 265,000. Online. Come back to me. Or elsewhere in the room. Haven't forgotten you. 265,000. And holding. 265. 265,000 anymore. Telephones, are we in or are we out? 268 if they wish online. Here to help. 265,000. What do they think down here on my left? 265,000. Got you here. Need a yes or no? Telephones. 268 online. Another couple of thousand. 270. 269,000. Bottom on the ropes online. 269. 269. Any more bids? 269,000. Telephones, are we coming in? 269,000. Well, a telephone's walking away from me. That's a universal sign he's out. Online, make no mistake, I'm selling the car. 269,000. We're selling all the way. £269,000. The Daytona, take a look at it. Showing on your screens there and in the room here. £269,000. And selling here in the room at Goodwood. £269,000. Your car, sir. Well done. You're going to a very good home.
So, what do you think? Did the buyer get a good deal? With the vehicle estimated between £325,000 and £375,000, and the final price, including fees, coming out at £309,350, it certainly seems like a smart buy. Given how classic Ferrari prices continue to rise year after year, I'd say this was not only a beautiful acquisition, but a solid investment, and a rare opportunity to own such a true piece of automotive history. But I'd like to hear what you think. Was it a steal or just spot on? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching today. There's plenty more Goodwood content on the way, so if you've enjoyed this, please consider becoming a subscriber. Also give the video a like, and don't forget to leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Until next time, keep the classics alive and take it easy.